Alright, hey everyone. Today we've come down to RG's restaurant. We're going to be trying out the new dry age range from Drake's. So we've got ribeye there, we've got a New York strip, and we've got a bit of rum. So I'm going to step away from the camera for a while today. I'm going to let Rik do some cooking. We've got Trania here. She was a standout from our last masterclass, so she's come along today just to see what we're going to be up to. We've got the biggest smoker in South Australia fired up behind us, so we're going to smoke them on that, and then we're going to finish them off in the Weber. So hand over to Rik.
Today we are cooking the dry age range, brand new to Drake's supermarkets. We're going to do a bone-in ribeye, a New York strip, and a dry aged rum. These steaks are superior, great quality, and perfect for reverse searing. So that's what we're going to run through today. So let's have a look at these. Do you want to open one as well, Claire? So you can see from the quality of this ribeye, good marbling through it there. And I would say that's around a 35 to 40 day dry age range. Perfectly 30 days and above is a perfect age for dry aging. And stage 2 now, we're going to season our steaks. So we're going to give them a nice even coating. That there is a nice even coating, ready for the smoker. So that there is all 3 of our steaks, seasoned, ready to go in Adelaide's biggest offset smoker. So here we have a 3-door offset Yoda smoker. This is what we call a reverse searing of the steak. So now we're basically going to bake the steak in the smoker. This can easily be done in a Traeger, in a Weber, anything you have at home, quite easy. So we're going to take it away from the heat and give it a slow cook. We'll be back in about half hour, 45 minutes to have a look at those. Okay guys, we have been about half an hour, 45 minutes in the Yoda offset. We're looking for around an internal temp between 100 and 110 Fahrenheit. (106), 113, so that one's definitely ready. Then we've got 112. So now we're going to take these over on our Weber Performer, give them a nice quick sear, then they're ready to serve. Meet you over at the Performer. Thank you guys. Okay guys, we've got this Weber Performer cranking hot with some beautiful premium lump charcoal in there. We're sitting at around 300 degrees. This is scorching hot. We're now going to put this steak straight over the flames, give it a couple of minutes each side, sear it off with a nice brown crust on the outside. Let's go. We'll get that lid put back down, give that a couple of minutes, we'll give it a flip, and a couple of minutes on the other side. Alright, we've given that about 2.5 minutes. Let's flip it over and give it another 2 minutes. That's perfect searing. We're going to take that off, give that a rest for a couple of minutes, and then we'll bring in the slice for you guys. Next up, we have the beautiful New York strip loin. We're going to give this about 3 to 4 minutes of sear of each side, looking for around that 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go. Alright guys, that's been in there about 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to give that a flip now, give it another go for another 3 minutes, and we've got some beautiful steak ready for you guys to eat. Alright guys, that's been in there for 3 to 4 minutes each side. We're going to check that temp now. We're looking around the 130 Fahrenheit. We've got 130 on the dot there, 130, so off that comes. All right, so we've got the bone-in ribeye here. We're going to try something completely different, guys. What they call caveman cooking. We're going to go straight on top of those hot coals, blistering hot, red charcoal, straight over the top, a nice burning sear over the top. Let's go. All right, that one there's had a couple of minutes each side, direct on those coals. Good old caveman style. Let's take it off. Look at that. Yummy.
Alright, now Rik said he can cook a steak. They look bloody good. Now let's see if they taste as good as they look. So I reckon I'm going to start. Oh, that looks perfect.
Got some?
Thanks.
How'd it go?
1 out of 1.
Bullseye.
That's bloody good. So that's the New York strip.
How does that dry aged taste? Let's see.
Just the texture of it is unreal. Looking at it, it does look like a lean cut of meat, but because it's dry aged and it's helped break down all that muscle, it's just so tender and juicy.
It's so easy working with quality meat, isn't it? Makes it easy. That's beautiful. No, who's done the ribeye?
I'm not wasting any time here. Oh, he's nailed that one as well.
That's the one I was impressed with.
That's even better. That had a bit more marbling than the New York strip. It's a bit juicier. The texture is just amazing. You get stuck into it.
What's that one, the strip? Yep,
That was good.
good.
That's
Yeah.
great. 2 out of 2.
Oh, that's terrible.
You guys wouldn't
Wow.
like that.
Yeah, you wouldn't like this.
That's great.
Oh,
I'm not wasting any time.
that is so tender.
That was so good.
Get a close up for you. So that's the rump. I'm yet to try the rump. I've tried the New York and the ribeye before at home, and I'm lucky enough to try it again here, but that's pretty good. 3 out of 3.
Nailed it. Oh, backwards.
You can talk the talk and you can walk the walk.
That's right, guys. That's the dry aged steaks now available at Drake supermarkets. These things have a complete game changer. Let me tell you, these things are unbelievable. Get onto them. Bloody good steak.
Make a mess of this off the camera, eh? Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, guys.